Can your workshop tool cart actually hold your computer and keep it safe? This LYREIGN industrial computer cabinet aims to do just that. And honestly, it's a pretty clever idea. Forget those flimsy carts. This thing is built like a tank, using electrostatic spraying and a pickling and phosphating process, which means it's not just tough, it's also seriously rust and wear resistant. It's designed to hold up to a 24-inch monitor, which is fantastic for anyone who needs a digital display right there on the shop floor. They've even thought about cable management, adding rubber protection to all the line holes, which is a small detail that makes a big difference in a workshop environment. The mobility on this cart is impressive. It's got 2 directional wheels and 2 swivel wheels, so you can zip it around easily and then lock it down securely with the 2 brake wheels. The first drawer is actually a keyboard tray, which is a smart space-saving design that really expands your workspace. Plus, the double-layer cabinet gives you plenty of room for the computer host and other essentials. It's built from a sturdy alloy steel and ABS, and at 88 pounds, you know it's not going to tip over easily. This isn't just a computer stand, it's a complete storage solution for machinists and shop workers. The idea is to keep your tools and your computer accessible right where you need them, boosting efficiency. They've really focused on safety too, with an earthquake-resistant and impact-resistant design to minimize workplace accidents and protect your valuable equipment. Installation is supposed to be a breeze, as it comes mostly pre-assembled. You just need to add the final components. LYREIGN also includes their logo and a document bag, which is a nice touch. They promise good after-sales support too, which is always reassuring. Overall, this LYREIGN cabinet seems like a robust and well-thought-out piece of workshop furniture that bridges the gap between your CNC machines and your digital workflow. It's a solid option for anyone looking to organize their workspace and keep their tech protected.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.